Hey there, welcome. This is a little bonus segment in our Rise and Receive series on getting easy momentum. So if you're receiving this, you are probably practicing our Receive Rest tip that helps you to access effortless momentum when you're tired. I hope you're having fun with that. I hope you're exploring, and I wanted to give you some extra support. So I'm going to read to you from the little booklet that comes with the Receive Oracle cards, and then I'm going to give you something that you can play with. All right. So I invite you to sit back as you are willing to receive rest and let these words wash over you. Rest is a universal need which must be honored, respected, and nurtured. However, you may have a limited understanding of what rest is, why it's important, and how it's an expression of your power. If you believe that you can't afford to rest or that your value lies in working harder, you will struggle. Since your consciousness creates your reality, you will manifest what you believe. You will receive only if and when you've worked hard enough. The problem with this is most of us don't know when enough is enough. The truth, however, is that rest is essential to your capacity to receive. If you've been working hard, whether doing deep emotional work or expending a lot of energy on physical world outcomes, rest can bring you exactly what you need most. Replenishment and restoration when you feel depleted, inspiration when your mind needs answers and clarity, spaciousness for things to move that feel stuck. So if you're somebody who's been overdoing, overfunctioning, and overworking, even resting at a deeper body level might be difficult for you. So that's sometimes when we need to get into learning how to actually reset our nervous system. So I'm going to give you something that you can practice. It's so easy and so powerful. This is based in science and it helps you to regulate your nervous system. It's called touch regulation. So if you're having trouble resting, if you're having trouble really relaxing, just raise your arm or keep it down, but I'm going to raise it so you can see it. And you're just going to gently start stroking the inside of your forearm. And if your head is filled with thoughts of all the things that you should do, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Very lightly stroking the inside of your arm. You can also move into the inside of your palm, take a few breaths, and practice this for as long as you need to. It might only take a few minutes, but you can take quite a few minutes. And this actually relaxes you because it interrupts the busy thoughts and the nervous system that might have you on high alert or hypervigilant or just revved up. And because it produces pleasurable sensations, it interrupts that and allows you to access the creative functioning of your brain and relax. Sometimes you can just sit on the couch and do this for 5, 10, 15 minutes. And it will absolutely help you to rest. Now, if you happen to be somebody who maybe has some negative associations with touch, or you don't find it pleasurable, maybe you even have some trauma, don't do it. It's not for you. You can go back to tip number 5 and those bonus segments I did and try the yawning regulation, which is breath regulation, and experiment with that. But rest is important. It helps you receive and it allows you to access easy momentum. So practice, see how it goes, and I'll see you on the next video.